inside the room, feeling like I be staying. Yeah. Make a place till I get my bands. Yeah. I think it be when it shit begins.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this video, I'll do an eyebrow tutorial, the bushy brows tutorial, some kind of natural, parang pareho kay Jeorella. If you know Jeorella is, yun yung brows na gusto kong gawin ngayon. So, sa pag-achieve ng bushy brows like Jeorella ba yun? Yeah, so sa pag-achieve ng bushy brows like Jeorella G, ay isang product lang yung gagamitin ko. So this will serve as a very affordable bushy brow tutorial. Parang ganun. So isang product lang yung gagamitin ko to make it very affordable. O yeah, magsa-start na ako. Ang gagamitin kong product ay itong O2O brow soap with this freebie na spoolie nila. Ganito yung itsura niya. As you can see. It is a clear soap. Babasahin ko muna itong spoolie using a spray. Pero, ang laman ng spray na ito is water.
Literally water. Just like you see. Basta water yung laman niya. Ginagamit ko lang siya para ma-minimize ko yung pagbasa sa spray ko. So, I'll just spray it. Ganon.
Para hindi siya masyadong basa. Tapos, sinashake ko siya para hindi siya talaga masyadong basa. Tapos, I'm rubbing it here. Tapos, pag makikita ko na yung mga product na nandito na sa spoolie, i-rub ko na siya sa brow ko. I'm applying it sa ganitong paraan. Sorry sa ingay. So, I'm rubbing it this way. I'm rubbing it on the opposite direction ng kilay ko. Para maging coated yung kilay ko ng product. Tapos, ganyan lang. Like, I'm brushing my kilay the way I want it to be. I'm brushing it upward para masyado siyang medyo natural tingnan. Tapos dito, pinabrush ko siya para medyo may Andrea Brilliante style ng kilay, ganon. Just brushing it off until makuha na niya yung desired na brow style ko. Ganyan lang. Like, as you can see, may difference talaga. Parang dito yung face ko is na-lift up. Tapos dito is, ewan, just boring. Yan yung kilay pag nag-brow soap. Tapos ito yung kilay pag wala. Gagawin ko rin siya sa different side ng kilay ko para maging pantay sila. So, ganyan lang. I-zoom in. Look.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down.
Ganon lang. So, that's how I do my bushy brows. Ganito lang kasi I don't have the thick eyebrows naturally. Pero by using this brow soap, it feels like I have a thick eyebrows even though I don't. Just don't mind my eyeliner.
Ora ka, girl.
That is the eyebrow, the bushy brow tutorial. The easy and affordable, accessible eyebrow. So that's it for this video. I'm sorry, sobrang ingay dito kasi nasa labas ako. And
wala ang mapalulugaran sa loob. Kasi maingay din sa loob. Dito sa labas. Ingay din.
That's it for this video. I hope you like it. And if you like it, So that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my next vlogs or video. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon on my next vlog.